Welcome to Golf on Flying. Here is a new video that I've taken using a 360 degree camera attached to the wing, so it gives some amazing footage from a completely different perspective. I hope you enjoy. You can see here that I'm doing the run-up check, so I increase the throttle to 3,600 RPMs. I change the magnetos from both to right and then both to left, and then I slow down the throttle to idle. One of my cameras is connected to the radio, so you can hear AT.
Quebec Oscar Lima, control services are terminated, contact center 122.44.
Control services terminated, 122.44, Quebec Oscar Lima.
Oscar X-ray, Whiskey, still not observed traffic, establishing inbound, contact moment 10 for your clearance.
Delta Coastal Traffic, Cessna 172, Echo Whiskey X-ray, 1,500 at Williamstown, tracking lab 10 on tower. Avalon approach, Hotel Mike, position 5, Echo 10, north of Barnet.
Avalon Mike.
Riddle traffic, Tecnam 9394, taxi for runway 02 for local flight, Riddle. Riddle traffic, Tecnam 8394 is entering backtracking runway 02, Riddle.
This is where the really fascinating part of this new camera starts. You can see the takeoff, looking from outside the aircraft, right next to the aircraft. Watch the nose wheel lift off the ground, and then the main wheels. It's amazing footage, and I love watching it.
Traffic operating just outside the Avalon zone, near Werribee South.
Again, we've got some amazing footage from this camera. This is a view that I rarely get to have a look at because I'm just busy flying the plane. And you clearly don't see directly underneath the plane when you're a pilot sitting in the pilot seat.
Kilo Quebec.
Kilo Echo Quebec, looks like there's aerobatic, high-speed aerobatic traffic just operating about 2 miles your 1 o'clock position.
Traffic inside Kilo Quebec.
Kilo Echo Quebec.
Traffic Nova Coast, Mike Yankee Delta is a banner roughly a mile to the right of Alpona 1500, tracking Alpona south to Loudon Bomb Tower to Melbourne, subsequent traffic.
Traffic, Tecnam 8394 is turning downwind, runway 02 for full start, Riddle.
Melbourne Coast 2 traffic, Mike Yankee Delta, now approaching Madison from Tower 1500, checking shortly for mountain control traffic, Melbourne Coast route.
Melbourne Coastal Traffic, Tecnam 4851, arriving Cairn at 4500. Track Kerber, Spartan, Williamstown, Altona, Altona South, Leviton, Bomb Tower.
Riddle traffic, Tecnam 8394 is turning base, runway 02 for full stop. Riddle.
Here we are coming down final. Again, it's just an amazing perspective to be able to see this and see the plane at the same time. It's a nice landing. I had a perfect approach and I hit exactly where I was aiming. You can see the touchdown just here, very gentle, and then slowly the nose wheel landed as the plane stopped flying. I hope you enjoyed that flight. I got so much out of watching it myself through the 360 camera, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. I look forward to taking more videos of flying in different places using this same camera, and I look forward to getting your comments in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching Golf on Flying. Safe flying, blue skies and tailwinds for all.